Hi there, this is Larry Edelson with my Uncommon Wisdom video update for Thursday, July 9th. Hope you all had a nice holiday weekend. I certainly did, and I was also able to spend some quiet time on Sunday of this past weekend studying some of the longer-term trends in the market and the medium-term trends. As I've been saying all along, those trends remain intact that I've been talking about. However, we are certainly seeing some headwinds on the short term. We're still in sort of right now post-holiday light volume trading, and we also have the G8 meeting in Italy right now. So the markets are basically continuing to meander in a sideways fashion. However, there are some developments I do want to keep you abreast of. Gold is, in particular, testing its support level at the 920 level. It is possible that if we see a close below 920, we could see a further downdraft in gold. Not something that would totally surprise me, and certainly not something that would change the long-term trend. However, I am keeping my eyes on that, and if I see a short-term sell signal in gold, I will be alerting you in one of my issues or in a flash alert on what you might be able to do with it. Again, it's a little premature right there. Gold could easily bounce off of this 920 support level and resume its uptrend. But needless to say, I will keep you posted there. The dollar, again, is trying to rally. It's seeing very little progress on the upside, but overall very weak there. And also, it's hanging its teeth right now on the G8 meeting. The G8 meeting, there's been a lot of talk about discussions about replacing the dollar as the world's reserve currency. I have no doubt that that will happen over the next several years, that the process is already in motion. There will be official denials coming out of the G8 meeting that that is the agenda. Do not believe it. The government, whether it's China, Russia, or India, or any other country that is complaining about the dollar's reserve status these days, of course they're not going to admit that they officially want the dollar replaced as the world's reserve currency. No country is going to do that. Instead, you need to take a look at their actions. China is already taking very important strategic steps to increase its currency's presence in the world and to become part of a world currency. India is doing likewise with its currency. Russia is complaining quite a bit about the dollar. None of them will officially say that they're talking or seriously considering replacing the dollar amongst the G8 and as the world's reserve currency, but rest assured, it's definitely happening. In other natural resources, we're starting to see a little bit of a decline along with oil and with gold. Again, on the short term, I believe they're just testing support, and we'll have to see how that pans out over the next few days. Nothing to be alarmed about. If there are any changes on the short term, or if any sell-off becomes something that could be a little more serious, I will certainly let you know what to do in my issues or flash alerts if they're required. Until next week, this is Larry. Have a good weekend.